Hello, you're welcome. This is the Million Kids School. Welcome to our online teaching. Teacher Yapo, Physics Science. Today we are going to look at musical instruments. Do you like music? Can you play any musical instrument? What can you play? I can play almost all musical instruments in this world. Now, all those musical instruments you see everywhere are classified into three categories. The first category, we have the string instruments. These string instruments, sometimes we call them chordophones. Chordophones. This is the spelling of chordophones, right? Number two, we have the wind instruments. They are also called aerophones. Number three, we have percussion instruments. Now, we are going to look at one by one. We shall be looking at one by one. Number one, let us look at string instruments or chordophones. These string instruments produce sound by vibration of their strings when plucked. Vibration of their strings when plucked. Okay? Let us look at examples of those chordophones or string instruments. We have a guitar. You just pluck a guitar like this. Romeo knows how to do it. A bow harp, we have a tube fiddle, and we have a lyre. Then we have a cello, a viola, and then a violin. Then we have a harp. The difference between these two, the pronunciation is different, and even the structure. A viola is larger than a violin. You can check the dictionary and the other pictures from internet. Now here we have example. We have these pictures. This one is, many people call it adungu. This one. You see the strings are there, very many of them. You just pluck at them. Each string produces a different note. This one sounds different from this one, from this one, from this one, and from the other one. This one is the tube fiddle. Now a tube fiddle has only one string and it produces the same sound. The same note. However, it has this bow. The bow also has a smaller string which is wrapped on this string here. What determines the difference in the notes produced by this string is the fingers. The player will always touch this string using different fingers to produce different notes as the player is wrapping that string. Okay? Then here is the mighty guitar. Now, these string instruments, if you, I'm saying, the pitch of sound in string instruments can be determined by loosening or tightening the strings. For example, in a guitar, you can determine the sound by loosening or tightening. If you want the sound to be so high, the pitch of sound to be so high, what you do, you have to make it to tighten these strings, make them tight. The more you make them tight the higher the pitch of sound will be. And the moment you loosen them, the pitch of sound will be low. This is the activity. You must write this activity in your book because I'm going to mark it. Write it and answer correctly. Thank you.